Flip, you're on video! Yes. Flip, stop screaming your head off!
Come on!
Just kick your legs up! I'm not mean! I took these pictures for you now, didn't I?
No, you did. I took those pictures.
Well, I was the designated picture taker.
But I took them, so I get half credit.
Well, me and Claire, so she gets half credit.
It would be Claire, that would be grammatically correct.
Well, I always come first.
I'm a grammar snob, I'm sorry.
Fine. Hold this. Hold this.
This is really hard to hold. Oh, they weren't simple with me. They just let me hang there for a little while. So you use a different harness, or?
Do you want to stop?